Matt, many years ago, I was one of these stupid people that used Excel spreadsheets to manage the finances of my business. And I have no comprehension of how many mistakes that I made. I moved over to accounting software like QuickBooks. And what was so wonderful about that is I still make mistakes, but oh my God, this tool allowed me to find them really easily and fix them really easily. That's what we need in data software, isn't it?
Absolutely, David. And I actually used to manage vulnerabilities in Excel spreadsheets as well and had very much the same problems. Alteryx is a low-code solution, right? So we can build these processes out. We can go from the very manual processes to the very automated processes. And it's all right there in front of you on the screen. You can find out exactly what step in the process where something isn't going exactly how you expected it, and you can fix it. And the best thing is you can check all that into version control, and you know exactly when that process changed and what changed about it.
There's some level of assurance that you are getting to correct data, yes?
Absolutely. One of the things when you're using Alteryx, and once you've used Alteryx, you're not going to want to stop. Even for me with a software engineering background, I still love using Alteryx to do some of this stuff.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, because I was talking to some of your other people. You have heard this from your own customers, yes?
Once you're an Alteryx customer, you're typically a diehard Alteryx fan for quite a long time.
It's not just that, but you're turning manual into automated, and like a lot of people are doing, especially with agentic AI, able to connect multiple chains. Explain what you're doing here.
Alteryx largely sits at the core of your data, right? It can connect to all sorts of different data systems, pull data together from systems you would otherwise not get to be able to talk to each other very easily, build a rich set of data, and then absolutely build some action on top of that.
What does that end result look like?
We often hear like 80 to 90% efficiency gains, and I've seen it myself. It took weeks to get something done, and now we're at a point using Alteryx where it's literally minutes.
For someone who is hesitant, what's your advice? How should they first start?
What is a use case that you're really having a problem solving? Or do you have data in multiple different systems that would really be valuable if you had it connected in some way, shape, or form? And then what would you do on the other side of that? I promise you, Alteryx can help you figure that out.
You heard it from Matt. He's going to give you a promise. He'll help you figure it out. Go to their website, alteryx.com.